I'm replacing a universal 806BR TCP ballast with a Phillips ICN-2P60-SC. I see how to hook up the red/blue leads at one end of the fluorescent 2 tubes, bulb, lamp, but when hooking up the other end, red on the new ballast, I need to hook into 2 sets of black/white leads, 1 set for each bulb. Do I hook any of these to the black/white ballast wires, which will hook up to the black/white power supply? If so, which ones, please?
Hi, I'm Mike and I'll be glad to assist you. The red wire connects to both wires on the end of both tubes. The blue wires connect to both wires on the end of one individual tube, one blue on each tube. The black and white wires are not connected to the sockets. They are connected to the 120 volts only. Mike G.41226.41703277778.
But at one end of the light fixture I have 2 sets of wires, 1 set for each tube. One set has 2 blacks, the other set has 2 whites. So do I wire one black to one white, then hook in the red to the other black/white, or do I tie all 5 wires together? I have attempted to show this in a diagram. How do I get that diagram to you? I can email it if you wish. It is a JPG file from Paint.
The electronic ballast requires the sockets to be shunted. Both wires on each socket are connected together with the wire from the ballast. The black and white from the ballast do not connect to the sockets, they connect to the incoming black and white only.
But my left sockets have 2 whites on one and 2 blacks on the other. Socket 1 left end equals 2 white wires, right end equals 1 red. Socket 2, left end equals 2 black wires, right end equals 1 blue. Ballast has black/white, which I realize goes to line in. It also has 2 blues, which connect to right end of sockets 1 and 2. That leaves the left end of the sockets and the single red wire from the ballast. How do I splice these 5 wires together?
Blues go to the left end of fixture, 1 blue per socket. Red goes to all wires on the right end of fixture. Shunted means connected together. Wires on each socket are shunted. Mike G.41226.64057639194.
That worked. Thank you so much.
Very good, thanks for letting me know.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.